Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to use coupon in Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to use any coupon in your Shein app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app itself. So once you tap open the Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you need to do is simply select product you want to purchase, and once you have selected a product that you want to purchase, you can simply tap on add to cart. So once you have added that item in cart, you need to now tap on the cart option, and from there you need to tap on the checkout option. So once you do this, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap in your payment method. So once you have chosen your payment method on your Shein app, you will be able to apply the discount coupon code, which you can get by tapping on the apply voucher option. So once you tap on apply voucher, you can see the available vouchers. So simply tap on the recommended for you voucher and your coupon code to redeem it, and hit the continue button. So once you apply this coupon code on your total bill, you can reduce some amount from your purchase. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.